Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Malt.com is an impressive platform connecting freelancers with clients seeking specialized skills. It's designed to streamline the often complex process of finding and hiring independent professionals. The site boasts a vast network of talented individuals across various fields, ranging from web development and graphic design to marketing and project management. This extensive talent pool allows businesses of all sizes to quickly locate and secure the expertise they need for specific projects or ongoing collaborations. Malt.com simplifies the search process by allowing clients to filter potential freelancers based on specific criteria, such as skills, experience, location, and daily rate. Detailed profiles provide insights into each freelancer's background, portfolio, and client reviews, enabling businesses to make informed hiring decisions. This transparency fosters trust and helps ensure a good fit between the client's needs and the freelancer's capabilities. Beyond simply connecting freelancers and clients, Malt.com facilitates the entire project lifecycle. The platform provides integrated tools for project management, communication, and secure payments, streamlining collaboration and minimizing administrative overhead. This comprehensive approach allows both parties to focus on the work itself, rather than getting bogged down in logistical details. For freelancers, Malt.com offers a professional platform to showcase their skills and connect with potential clients. The platform's reputation for quality attracts businesses seeking skilled professionals, increasing visibility and opportunities for freelancers. Additionally, the secure payment system provides peace of mind, ensuring timely and reliable compensation for completed work. By simplifying the search, hiring, and payment processes, Malt.com fosters a more efficient and transparent freelance marketplace. This benefits both clients seeking specialized skills and freelancers looking for rewarding project opportunities. It's a valuable resource for anyone navigating the increasingly dynamic world of freelance work.